With this video, I'll show you how to search for books. Here I am at the Biology 152 guide. If I click on the Books tab in the menu, then go to the Library Catalogue. The Library Catalogue can be found on the library website. The name of the Library Catalogue is OneSearch, and right next to it you have a search box where you can type in your keyword or keywords to conduct a search. I'm going to do a search for sharks. So I type in shark, and as I type in my keyword or keywords, a pop-up will appear wherever you want to search those keywords, or keyword in this case, under, for instance, OneSearch articles, books and more, or just for articles, or books and media at CSUF, or books and media from all the CSU universities. You can actually retrieve physical items from other CSU universities and have it delivered here where you can pick it up. Or you can search for your keywords under course reserves. I'm going to select Books and Media CSUF because I want to know what books we have on sharks at the Pollack Library here. And here I found over 1,000 items. You can refine your search through an advanced search. At the top right, if you click on the advanced search, you can refine your keywords by different filters. For instance, if I select the field title, as you can see, to search for my keywords in the titles of all the items and retrieve those items, and click on search, and this will generally retrieve all items with my keyword shark in the titles. Here I have now found 435 items. I can also refine my hit set by different parameters on the left side. For instance, under sort by, I've got relevance here, but I can sort it by newest, oldest, title and so on. I can filter by resource type, dates, subject, even things like location, where these items can be found in the library. In the center you'll have all your items, and each item has the title, the author, the year of publication, and then it says available at Pollack Library, 3rd floor north, and there's a number here with this one. This number here is called the call number. A call number is a unique identifier of the book, and it gives you some information about the content of the book as well as the location of the book. If I click on this link, or if I click on the title, you come to the record. So this gives you a lot of information about that book. And I often tell students to just check to make sure under item in place it states loanable. If it's checked out, it'll say checked out, so the book will not be available in the library. To find this book, you will need the call number. It's this number again. So jot down this number or make a quick snapshot of this information. Then go on the 3rd floor of north in the Pollack Library, and there at the end of the shelves you'll see the call number ranges. For instance, in this case you probably will see something like PR 1 to 5000. Then on the next shelf it will be PR 5001 to 7000, and so on. So it gives you an idea where that book is located. Now this call number will be located on the spine of each book, so you just browse the spine on the books and to find the actual book. Once you find it, you can go to the circulation desk on Library South 1st floor and check it out with your item card. At the top here we have more icons here. Here you can emote the information here, create a permanent link. If you click on the citation icon, it cites that item in different citation styles. So if I click on APA 7th edition, it'll give you the citation in APA 7th edition. Now remember, this is computer generated, so it's not always 100%. It just gives you a ballpark. You can also move this record into a reference manager software called EndNote, or to export it to our RIS file. If I close this and go back, now I'm going to be looking for an ebook. An ebook is often identified as an online access in this catalogue, because it's available online. Here I see some videos. On the left side, I can refine this set further for online availability and available at CSUF. Click on full text online. And now you'll see each one of these items has online access, meaning it's available online. I can also refine it a bit more. Let's go to sort by relevance, by newest to oldest. And then select one of the books that I'm interested in. Okay, this one looks interesting. Sharks of the World, a complete guide. So it's got my fish in the title. Now if I click on the title or online access, I'll get to the record page of this item. Again, at the top I have these icons here. Now to access the ebook, I will need to click on the link here. This is the vendor's link. Sometimes if I click on the link, it goes straight to the PDF, or in this case goes to the vendor site where you can access the ebook. So this is the ebook. In the center you can access each chapter, or if you click on read online. Now notice that this is the ProQuest ebook central, so this is the way this vendor site works. So you click on the access online, and here you'll see the actual front cover of this ebook, and if you scroll down a wee bit you can see the other pages. The most important part of the book is the title page, because the title page contains a lot of important information. Yeah, the title of the book, the authors or editors, the publisher, sometimes the date of publication, and you use this information to construct your citation. Now here you'll see the front page. This is not the title page. Okay, it doesn't have all the correct data there for constructing a citation. On the left side you have title page, so you can go straight to the title page, or you can scroll up and down until you find the title page. And here you can see the title of the book, the authors, and the publisher. Here you have two publishers, so you just pick one of them. I don't see a year of publication, so following the title page you'll come to the copyright page. The copyright page will have a lot of copyright information, addresses and different numbers. And I notice here it states first edition published in 2030. But I want the most recent date, just to see if there's any other recent dates here. And the recent date here is copyright 2021. So that's the year of publication for this book. Okay, on the left side you can search within the book. For instance, if I just type in biology in the search box, click on return, and you'll see a bar wherever a keyword that you've placed in the search box appears. here this bar is much larger because there's more keywords found within this section or this chapter. So let me see if I can see the biology. There's biology here. There's biology here. So it's found it very fast. At the top here, let's make this a little bigger. At the top here, you have more icons. So you can download a chapter, usually for copyright purposes. You can usually just download one chapter by clicking on download button here. There's a PDF as well. You can copy sections of the item from the actual book, print it, add it to the bookshelf, create a link. Then you have this quotation mark. If you click on that, it will cite it in different citation styles. Again, remember, this is 100% because it's computer generated. You can also move the information from your book to EndNote or RefWorks. These are different reference manager softwares that I will be talking about in a video coming up later on. You can highlight things. So if you log in to your account, you can actually, I just don't want to highlight everything. There you go. And if you want to, I think you can change the colors. Okay, so you can highlight sections within the ebook for yourself. This here is a sticky note or add a note. So you can just add a note, just add in something, click on save, and you can double click and you can see the note relevant to this page. If you put your cursor, it'll tell you what it does with each one of these icons. Add a bookmark here. Okay, so this is pretty much an ebook. If you can go back to the Biology 152 guide, once you're in the guide, if you click on books in the menu, and what I'd like everybody to do is to think of a fish and go to the online catalog, OneSearch, and find an ebook where your fish appears in the title. Once you found that ebook, I'd like you to browse the ebook and navigate around it and find this information about your ebook, the author or editors, the year of publication, the title of the ebook, the publisher. Then write down a few things about the advantages of using an ebook and disadvantages of using the ebook. Now to do this, if you click on the square button on the top right, the full site will appear, and all you need to do is just click on plus. A pop-up will appear and you can just start typing. So, put Smith, click on publish, and that will be the author, and then the same thing for the year and so forth. Okay, so I'm going to give you 5 minutes to complete that task. Thank you for listening.